Hello guys, welcome back to the HaPlay computer channel. In this video, we will demonstrate the installation steps of the LXQT desktop environment on a HaPlay GO Zero 3, which runs post-market OS Linux. Come on, let's get straight to it. This video is a continuation of the previous video which tested the HaPlay software setup. If you are curious about how HaPlay software setup works, please watch the previous episode video. The HaPlay GO Zero 3 runs post-market OS, based on Alpine Linux. Therefore, all operations will soon use APKs as the management software. First, we do a repository update with the command sudo apk update. Then enter a password that is only one character, namely the letter D. Repository updates take varying amounts of time depending on internet speed. After that, you do the upgrade with the command sudo apk upgrade to ensure the installed programs are up to date. After that, the package can be searched using the command apk search post-marketos UI. Post-marketos UI is a keyword, a meta package specifically designed to handle the installation and default setup of the desktop environment on post-market OS Linux, so this package would be very helpful. With this command, we will see many package names starting with post-marketos UI. It turns out that there are too many search results and not all of them can be seen on one screen. We repeat the search, but add the pipe symbol and the less command after it, so that the search results can be scrolled and examined in more detail. After finding the correct package name, we press the Q key to close less, then install it directly with the command sudo apk add post-marketos UI LXQT. The LXQT meta package will immediately include other important packages to be installed, with a total download of about 200 megabytes and a size after installation of about 500 megabytes. C. The LXQT meta package pulls in a ton of other smaller packages to install. With that many packages, the installation process will likely take around 10 to 20 minutes. Finally finished. Now to try whether the installation process was successful, we will restart HaPlay GO Zero 3 with the command sudo reboot. If the LXQT installation is successful, it should be that, after HaPlay GO Zero 3 restarts, LXQT will automatically run and open a ready-to-use desktop environment. Oh, that's great. LXQT desktop environment installation was successful. The last step we prepared was to set it to use landscape mode by default. These settings can be found in the display settings window. Finished. Now, we just have to set the theme and background image to our liking, and HaPlay GO Zero 3, ready to use with a user-friendly environment.